Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can simply download and install Google Chrome in your Windows in a very simple way. For that, what you have to do, you have to simply open any of your favorite browser. So now here you have to type Chrome download and then you can simply press enter, and then you're going to get the first website. Click on that, and here you're going to get the download Chrome option. So if you click on it, so after complete the download, click on the folder icon, and then here you can simply see Chrome setup.exe file. So if you click on it 2 times to install, and then click on run, click yes for the permission. And now here, as you can see right now, if you minimize all of your background tab, and as you can see, it's installing Google Chrome. And after complete that, you can simply see here the Google Chrome will be came in that you downloaded. So yeah, this is how we can simply download and install Google Chrome in your Windows. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in another videos. Till then, goodbye.